Are you feeling emotionally drained, overwhelmed, or stuck in a cycle of sadness? Sometimes, even when everything seems fine on the outside, the heart feels heavy and lost. But remember, Allah has given us the Quran as a source of healing and hope. In today's video, we'll share a powerful wazifa using Surah Ad-Duha, specially chosen to help remove depression and invite Allah's mercy into your life. This isn't just a ritual, it's a spiritual remedy full of meaning and comfort. Stay with us and discover how this beautiful surah can renew your heart and bring peace to your soul. 1. Emotional relief through Surah Ad-Duha. Surah Ad-Duha holds a deeply comforting message for anyone struggling with sadness, anxiety, or a sense of abandonment. When this surah was revealed, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was going through a period of emotional silence and distress, feeling as though Allah's revelation had stopped. In this state of vulnerability, Allah revealed Surah Ad-Duha, beginning with an oath by the morning brightness and the stillness of the night, symbolizing that after every darkness, light will surely follow. The surah gently reassures the Prophet ﷺ that Allah has neither forsaken him nor is he displeased. It then promises that what lies ahead will be better than what has passed. This message goes beyond the Prophet's experience. It speaks directly to every believer who feels alone or burdened. It reminds us that feelings of despair are temporary and that divine care is constant, even when unseen. Each verse is filled with compassion, encouraging reflection on Allah's past favors and His continuing presence. For someone battling depression or emotional hardship, Surah Ad-Duha serves as a healing reminder that our pain is known to Allah and that His mercy is always near. This surah revives hope and anchors the soul in divine assurance. 2. Spiritual power of Surah Ad-Duha. Surah Ad-Duha is not only emotionally comforting, it also holds immense spiritual power. Its verses contain profound wisdom that can realign a believer's heart with trust, hope, and tawakkul, reliance on Allah. One of the most powerful aspects of this surah is its central message: Allah never abandons His servant. This alone strengthens the spiritual core of a person facing doubt or inner turmoil. The surah teaches that worldly tests are temporary and that divine favor often comes after hardship. It reminds us that difficulties do not mean rejection by Allah, but are part of a greater divine plan meant to purify and elevate us. The verse, "And your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied," shows Allah's deep care and generosity toward His servants, offering spiritual reassurance that better times are coming. Moreover, the surah highlights the importance of gratitude by pointing to past blessings, how Allah cared for the Prophet ﷺ when he was orphaned and guided him. This spiritual reflection shifts a believer's focus from pain to remembrance of Allah's mercy. In essence, Surah Ad-Duha not only uplifts the heart but revives the soul, re-establishing a strong connection between the servant and the Creator. 3. Wazifa instructions. To benefit from the healing and mercy of Surah Ad-Duha, this wazifa is to be practiced with sincerity, patience, and a deep trust in Allah. Begin by purifying your intention. Perform the wazifa not just as a routine, but as a humble plea to your Lord. After the Fajr prayer, when the heart is most calm and the day is just beginning, recite Durud Sharif, any form, 3 times. This sends blessings upon the Prophet ﷺ and opens the door for your dua to be accepted. Then, recite Surah Ad-Duha 7 times slowly, reflecting on each verse and its meaning. Allow the words to sink into your heart. This repetition is not just for memorization, but for spiritual absorption, letting the hope and mercy in the surah wash over your sadness. After the recitation, again send Durood Sharif 3 times. Then, raise your hands and make dua. Pour your heart out to Allah. Speak in your own language and ask Him to remove your depression, anxiety, and emotional pain. Beg for His light, His guidance, and His mercy. This daily routine, when done consistently and with faith, becomes a powerful tool for healing and spiritual revival. Effect of the Wazifa. When practiced with sincerity and consistency, this Wazifa, using Surah Ad-Duha, can bring remarkable inner transformation. One of the most immediate effects is a sense of calm and emotional relief. As the verses of the surah are repeated daily, the heart gradually absorbs their message of hope and reassurance. Feelings of despair begin to lift, and a quiet strength replaces emotional heaviness. Spiritually, this Wazifa helps reconnect the believer with Allah's mercy. Depression often makes a person feel distant from their Lord, but the daily act of recitation and dua creates a direct and personal bond with Allah. It nurtures tawakkul, reliance on Allah, and shukr, gratitude, helping the soul rise above negativity and find meaning even in hardship. Over time, you may notice subtle but powerful changes: renewed motivation, ease in daily affairs, and a softer, more content heart. The believer begins to see trials not as punishment, but as part of a divine process toward growth and closeness to Allah. This spiritual shift attracts barakah, blessing, and invites Allah's special mercy. As the Prophet ﷺ said, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest." This Wazifa becomes not just a remedy, but a journey back to spiritual peace. Alhamdulillah, we hope this Wazifa with Surah Ad-Duha brings comfort, hope, and healing to your heart. Remember, Allah's mercy is always near. Just call upon Him with sincerity and patience. If you found this video beneficial, like, share, and subscribe to Sacred Deen for more soul-uplifting content. Before you go, comment below with this beautiful prayer. Ya Allah, fill my heart with peace and surround my life with your mercy. Let's fill the comments with dua and positivity. May Allah ease your hardships and bless you with light and tranquility. Ameen.